This particular piece is for 99 rupees, guys. We've got dress in 99 rupees, guys.
Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel MS Gossipy. So we are in Style Port, Badi Chodi. So I'm very happy to announce this, like Style Port. Put Badi Chodi Koti just beside Big Bazaar Undanmata, and we have 3 floors, G plus 3 floors, and
Yes.
prices are very same. Like there is no difference in prices, and we are in our favorite section 99.
So this is the happiest section, as you guys know.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna show you. We have got massive collection here, but I won't be able to show you each and every piece here.
Yeah.
So I'll be showing you few pieces from here.
This
So
is
just
99.
imagine this particular piece is for 99 rupees, guys. It has got handwork. It has got this beautiful work on it.
Design and
Yeah.
complete front and back design. It is like, I thought you just kept it by mistake.
No.
It is for 99.
It
I'm
is
really surprised.
during the inauguration offer. It is for 99. We have
Okay.
got all beautiful tops here. We have got t-shirts here in 99. We have got different colors, different sizes here.
And we have speculative tops for 99. Like wonderful. And this is
Crop top.
yeah. And
We have got size
these
in
next-
this. We have got size in all the stretch, my stretch brand mein we have got all the sizes.
Okay.
So you can come and ask for the size. They'll give you the sizes. We have got beautiful t-shirts. We have got dress in 99 rupees, guys.
That's
So
right.
with the spaghetti, you're getting this particular dress for 99 rupees. It is from Zinc London brand.
Yeah.
So guys, don't miss this opportunity. Please come and grab things from here. We have got beautiful collection in 99. We have got shorts, we have got t-shirts, we have got dresses, we have got every single thing. We have got dupattas as well.
Yeah. For my surprise, this is the first time I'm looking for traditional wear.
Yes,
and
I'm going to show you few dupattas of 99, which is here. So they are all for 99 rupees. All the dupattas, we have got many designs here, but I won't be able to show you each and every piece. So
These
we're just
is
giving the
dupatta section. So
yeah.
we'll go for this section now.
This is long gown, maxi gown section, and here you'll be getting all the maxi gowns for rupees 550 rupees starting.
Wow. So this is an inaugural sale, right? Like,
Yes.
offers
So if you
only.
pick one, it'll be for 550. If you pick 3, it'll be for 1550, guys.
Wow. 100 rupees.
Yes.
It is already a discount and discount in it again.
Again, yeah, we have got beautiful varieties. We have got everything designer and big brands are available. We have got non-branded stuff as well.
And
And
this is
these are all standard size. If you stretch from there, Shalini, this will fit to large person also. So we have got this beautiful pieces with standard size. So this small, medium and large person can fit into it. We've got beautiful shades. We have got beautiful gowns, beautiful prints on it. Different pattern. This is off shoulder.
And this is a complete full length dress.
Yes,
This is
we have got beautiful prints in this. We have got beautiful patterns in this, and this is all standard size, Shavni. As you can see, the adjusting thing at the back.
We can
So this will fit to a small, medium, large, and XL.
XL person.
Yes, till XL people can wear this.
And
This is
so
very beautiful plated dress. We have got colors in this. We have got yellow color. We have got many other colors in this. We have got beautiful prints here.
And this is very beautiful, and fabric is also so smooth.
Right. So there's this one more color in this.
And
Guys,
good color actually.
yeah, please visit us during the sale time. All the bottoms, guys. So pick any denim shorts for 200 rupees only, Shravani.
Denim shorts. All these shorts are for 200, you're saying?
Yes.
Wow,
So I'm going to
this is
show
a
you
sale.
all. Yes. They're all big brands. As you can see, this is lifestyle brand. So they are all, if you see the original price of that particular piece is
1300, and it
But
is for
you'll be
200,
getting-
guys.
Yes. So guys, don't miss it. I'm again and again saying this, that if you miss this sale, you'll really regret. So we have got here skirts. All the skirts are for 350 rupees, whether it is short, knee length, long, anything, any skirt. Yes, any skirt for 350 rupees. We have got different pattern, different styling on each skirt. If you see, different fabrics are available. Please visit us, and you are going to love this.
This is a 3/4 thing, so
Yeah.
even this is for 300.
Yes, any pant, any plazo, any skirt, long skirt. This comes under ethnic wear. This is also for 350 rupees, guys. please visit us during the sale time. And if you're not able to visit, you can also DM us on our Instagram account, and our Instagram ID is
stylefort_hide. So I saw this jeans. So what is the price of this jeans?
so we have got Levi's, Stradivarius, we have got many jeans. Pick any jeans for 500 rupees, any dry fit and any jeans for 500 rupees only.
All these jeans are for 500. You say?
Yes, and we have got all the big brands here. As you can see, Lee, we have got Ginger, we have got Stradivarius, we have got many Tommy Hilfiger. We have got many brands.
So sizes, what about sizes?
We have got all the sizes, but you need to be quick because the pieces won't last for longer duration.
And the sale is on 21st of August. Make a note of date, and it is a weekend. You can visit the store at any time. So store opens at?
It'll be around 11:30.
So rush for the shopping, guys.
Here we are on ground floor, and we have got all the tops here. So we have got crop tops, we have got all kind of party wear tops, we have got casual tops, we have got
Shirts, normal shirts,
Formal.
crop tops, and everything is like wow collection here.
Yes.
And
I won't be able to show you all the pieces, but let's go through few.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have got all good big brands. If you see the original price of this particular piece, it's 2399. But during the inauguration time, you'll be getting all these tops for 250 rupees, guys. And if you pick 3, it'll be for 700 rupees, guys. So they are all big brands, guys. Don't miss this sale. Please visit the store during the inauguration time. You are definitely going to love the stuff here. Pick any top for
250.
yes, and if you pick 3 Shravani, you'll be getting it for
700.
that's a very good deal.
It's like, you know, I just got noted every price now.
Yeah, we've got everything here. We have got beautiful brands here, guys. We have got Madam brand, we have got Forever 21, we have got Lee, we have got Only, we have got Veramoda, we have got many, and we have also got few non-brands such as this. They are all designer, and you won't find this thing at this price anywhere else, guys.
Exactly.
So please visit us during the inauguration time. Crop tops here I'm going to show you. So this is all lifestyle. If you see the original price of this particular piece, it's 1799, but you'll be getting this particular piece just for rupees
250.
yes, Shravani is right. So any crop top, any top, any kind of top, it will be for 250 rupees. Whether it's a crop top, it's a top, it will be for 250 rupees only. They are all very cute and very comfortable. We have got all kind of fabrics on it. So please, guys, please visit us. And if you are not able to visit us, you can also do one thing. You can DM us on our Instagram page. Our StylePort ID is
stylefort_hyd.
yes. So you can DM us over there, and if you have any query about anything, you can also ask us there. We've got beautiful collection, guys. Please visit. Remember, Shravani, I was talking about the cape.
Capes, yeah.
We've got one more section of cape here and downstairs. And this particular thing, this beautiful thing, you'll be getting it for 300 rupees during the inauguration sale.
Wow, this is for 300.
Yes, it has got beautiful work, handwork on it. And this beautiful piece for 300 rupees. We have got many varieties here. I'm going to show you.
And we have so many colors in it. Pink,
Yes.
red, blue, each and every color, like
Yes.
subtle colors and things. And we have full cape also. Is this
Yes.
also for 300?
Yes,
Don't
yeah.
tell me, please.
Yes, it is for 300 rupees only. So please do visit us during the inauguration offer, and you'll be getting
Grab this collection, guys. This is like worth buying, I can
this.
say.
Exactly. We have also got few party wear here. I'm going to show you few pieces. So this particular piece, any such crop top for 600 rupees only, guys.
And this is the first time ever in Shirtport like looking this collection. Like
Yeah,
this
we
is
have got this new in StylePort. We have got this many variety in this, guys. Please, I won't be able to show you each and every piece. So please visit us during the inauguration offer. and grab this particular piece just for 600 rupees. We have got different styling and different fabrics in this. Please visit us.
And what if the customers are looking in Instagram? So inaugural sale will be on.
Yes, they can DM us on Instagram. Only for those who cannot visit us because they are not from Hyderabad, they can actually DM us on Instagram. Our ID is
styleport_HYD.
yes, and you can book your dress, anything on Instagram. You just need to take a screenshot and send it to us.
So this is a capes collection you have seen. Our capes lone manaki ila complete work వచ్చేసింది and these are for only 500 rupees. నిజంగా 500 rupees as inaugural rates అన్నమాట. ఇది బడి చోడీలో మనకి చాలా తక్కువ ప్రైసెస్ కి దొరుకుతున్నాయి ఇలాంటి డ్రెస్సెస్, దట్ పార్టీ వేర్ డ్రెస్సెస్, షిమరీ డ్రెస్సెస్, హ్యాండ్ వర్క్ డ్రెస్సెస్. సో నేను కొన్ని మీకు చూపిస్తున్నాను అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ అ స్మాల్ షగ్. సో ఇలా వచ్చేసింది అనమాట షగ్. ఇది వచ్చేసి కేప్ అన్నమాట. కేప్ మనం కంప్లీట్ గా వచ్చింది. ఇక్కడ ఈ కలెక్షన్ వచ్చేసి 500 విచ్ ఇస్ పార్టీ వేర్ ఫుల్ టాప్స్, ఫుల్ వర్క్ టాప్స్. అండ్ ఈ కేప్స్ అండ్ షిమరీ క్లాత్ ఈ పర్టికులర్ కలెక్షన్ వచ్చేసి 600 రూపీస్. This collection is only for 300 and this is a worth buying collection in Shirtport. And ఇక్కడ ఉన్న టాప్స్, షర్ట్స్, t-shirts, everything is for 250 guys. If మీరు కానీ 250 టాప్స్ 3 పిక్ చేస్తే మీకు 700 రూపీస్ అంటే డిస్కౌంట్ ఉందన్నమాట ఈసారి Shirtport లో. అండ్ ఎవ్రీ కలెక్షన్ ఇస్ లైక్ wow collection, worth
We
collection.
have all the Neelan dresses. I won't be able to show you all, so I'm going to show you a few pieces from here. We have got this beautiful piece from Forever 21 brand and this particular piece. Pick any Neelan guys for.
I'm waiting for your price.
So it is for 450 and if you pick 3 it will be for 1200 rupees only guys.
That's a double dhamaka actually you're giving.
Yeah.
And this is so
See.
beautiful.
If you see, this is Zara basic. So you're getting Zara piece for rupees.
450.
Exactly.
And this is so cute.
I know the print, everything is so unique here. Different styling, different fabric. So you'll be like, you know, amazed by seeing all these pieces. We have got different patterns, different prints on it. So dress for
450.
and if you pick 3 Shavni,
It is for 1200.
yes guys, it's unbelievable but that's the fact. So please visit us and grab the pieces from here. They are all amazing.
And this is also so cool.
Yeah. So they are all big brands. We have also non-brands, few non-brands. So please visit guys. We have got denim jackets here. Pick any denim jackets during the inauguration time. It is for 400 rupees. I'm going to show you a few. They're all beautiful, different styling on it. They're all different brands.
Everything is like, dhamaka sale this time.
Yes, it's all unique styling.
If you want to take in a pattern, styling pattern or plain, everything is available.
Everything is available only at Styleport.
And like we have so many colors in it, so many sizes. We also have 2XL in it.
Me, I want you all to tell your viewers to visit the store during the inauguration offer. We have got price chart here. So pick any top for 250. If you're picking 3, it is for 700 rupees. Any Neelan dress for 400 rupees. If you pick 3, it's for 1200 rupees. Any long gowns for 550 rupees. But if you pick 3, it is for 1550. Then any shrugs, skirts, plazos for 350 rupees. Any jeans and rifles for 500 rupees. Any denim jackets for 400 rupees. And any denim shorts for 200 rupees.
That was real
And
quick.
we have got very nice collection in 99 as you have seen. So please guys, please visit us. I was actually wondering if you are not able to visit the store, you can also do the online shopping. You can DM us on our Instagram account. Our Instagram ID is styleport_HYD. You can DM us, you can take a screenshot and send it to us and we will book your dress.
That's all for a video with Styleport. And this is at ఈ ప్లేస్ వచ్చేసి బడి చోడి మనకి బిగ్ బజార్ నుంచి ముందుకు వచ్చేసి ఆ కప్పిల నెంబర్ 1190 ఆపోజిట్ అన్నమాట. టు బి ఫ్రాంక్ ఈసారి ఆఫర్స్ ధమాకా సేల్ ఆఫర్స్. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ అవర్ వీడియో. ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్, కమెంట్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ ఛానల్. బై బై.